Last week I showed you how to install the Bitmoji extension for Chrome. This week we're going to talk about Friendmojis, where you and a friend can have Bitmojis that interact together, like the one here of me and Miss Perry. You're going to need a copy of the spreadsheet that can be located at this URL. So take a moment, pause the video, and type in this URL. Be sure to use the case. It is case sensitive. Once you're at this page, you're going to click the Make a Copy, which will automatically create a copy of the Google Sheet in your drive. Here's the copy that I've already created for me, and it has some information linked in here. Now, this was not created by me. This sheet was created by Michelle Armstrong, and she has given credit to Jordan Poles for all of the magic that happens behind this sheet. But we just need to make a copy of it and then enter our information. Now, what we'll do is we will write our names in this column of who's going to be in this. So I am friend 1 here, and Summer's friend 2, and then I have me and Leah, and then Summer and Leah. And to get these links that we paste in, you simply go to your Bitmoji extension in Chrome, and for any of these pictures, I'm going to right-click it and I'm going to say Copy Image Address. Once I do that, I come over to the cell that I want to enter my information in, and I'm just going to Control-V to paste it in. And then I'm going to share this sheet with my friend, and they're going to do the same thing in this second column. Once they are both pasted in, then we have a link over here to our Friendmojis. So when I click this link, here are all the Friendmojis for me and for Summer Perry. And if I want to use one, I can right click and copy or save that image and then paste those into Word documents or Google documents or PowerPoints or anything. I hope you find some fun ways to use these, maybe with your instruction with your students, or maybe just to brighten up your presentations. Have a great week. Let me know if you have any questions.